Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add GIFs to your videos on CapCut Browser. Again, before I continue with this video, this is on CapCut Browser. Okay, it's not on the app, so please do not skip this part because I've had a lot of people mistaken this to the app, so make sure you don't do that. Go to library here, and as you can see there is this like Jiffy. I don't really know how to pronounce, is it either GIF or GIF? I'm not sure, but press the arrow and here you can pick, for instance, like this one from Frozen. Just add it and then put it above your clip, and it's going to be added to your videos like so. You can adjust it and like move it so it looks like Anna's in a city. I don't know, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!